Have you ever thought, I want to invest, but I only have $100? Is that even worth it? What if I told you that your first $100 could be the most important money you ever invest? Welcome to Wealth Frontier, where we make investing simple for everyone. I'm Adam, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start investing with just $100. Let's start by busting the biggest myth about investing. Myth number 1. You need thousands of dollars to start. Reality: you can literally start with the price of 2 pizzas. Myth 2. Investing is only for rich people or experts. Reality: some of the most successful investors started with small amounts and learned along the way. Step 3. The most important decision: what to actually buy with your $100. For absolute beginners, I recommend an ETF, that's an exchange-traded fund. Think of it like a basket of hundreds of stocks. My top recommendation for first-time investors: VU, which tracks the S&P 500, or VT, which tracks the entire global stock market. One purchase gives you instant diversification. And here's the most powerful reality: that $100 you have right now, if you invest it consistently and let it grow, it could become over $120,000 in 30 years. That's the power of starting small but starting today. Alright, let's get practical. Step 1. Choose where to invest. For beginners with $100, I recommend these 3 options. Option A. Fidelity. They actually allow you to buy fractional shares of almost any stock with no minimum. Option B. Charles Schwab. Great research tools. Option C. Robinhood. Super simple app, great for first-timers. I'll put links to all 3 in the description. Step 2. Create your account. This takes about 10 minutes. You'll need your email, social security number, and bank login. Don't worry, these platforms are regulated and secure. Once approved, transfer your $100. This usually takes 1-2 business days to clear. Step 4. Make your first purchase. I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like. You'll search for VOO, select, buy, enter $100, review the order, and confirm. That's it, you're now an investor. The whole process takes about 30 seconds once your money clears. Now, what should you expect after hitting that buy button? First, your $100 will go up and down daily. A 1-3% move either way is completely normal. Don't panic. Second, set up automatic investments. Even $25 every 2 weeks adds up. Third, focus on learning, not checking your balance daily. I recommend checking once a month at most when you're starting. Now, what should you expect after hitting that buy button? First, your $100 will go up and down daily. A 1-3% move either way is completely normal. Don't panic. Second, set up automatic investments. Even $25 every 2 weeks adds up. Third, focus on learning, not checking your balance daily. I recommend checking once a month at most when you're starting. If you found this helpful, do 2 things for me. First, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because next week, I'm showing you the 5 common investing mistakes beginners make, and how to avoid them. Second, comment below with, I'm starting with $100, I'll personally respond to your questions and cheer you on. Remember, every expert investor started exactly where you are right now. Your financial journey begins today. Thanks for watching. This is Adam from Wealth Frontier. See you in the next video.